Now you are watching the outside of the Mayurva Phase 3, Pocket B3. This is our area. You can watching now Mayurva Phase 3, Pocket B3. This is our children's park, made by the Delhi Development Authority and Welfare Residential Welfare Association. Joint venture of Delhi Development Authority and Residential Welfare Association. Hello, everyone കാണാം. ഏവർക്കും കാണാം. This is Ivamor channel. Every സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. കടന്നു വരൂ.